MS Store. Okay, open the Power BI. So MS Store, MS Store, and then type Power BI Desktop. You know very well. And if you have a previous version, you can install it and then install it once again. Okay. If you don't have, you understood about it, correct? Here's, you can see the install option. You can install it. Once you install it, okay, this is the preview feature that is going on. Microsoft has been remove everything from here. See that you won't see anything. So they want right side panel should be clean so that report can be viewed better. Okay, so that reason they remove all pane here, and now visualization. Go to the insert and see this all visualization is now here available here. So this visualization and all painter means all option that we negotiated like format pane. This is the filter pane. This is the data tab where we see the data. See this data here a format pane. So you see this here a format pane. Then we bookmark here. Then here a bookmark. Then we have selection pane. Here a performance in view option. There are three options there. And if you wanted to go in the filter pane, then select this one format pane. If you wanted to go to the data tab, then you can do that. If you wanted to do format on the select the bookmarks and also all option can add it here now. Understood now? Any doubt? So that they have changed the option.
No, sir. No, sir.
Yeah. Next, suppose you don't want to see the filter, so you can go view and remove it. You don't want to see that. If you wanted to remove performance analyzer, just you can uncheck that. And your list tab option is available. So even wanted to close it, go ahead and close it one by one. Say this, it will display clean. So meanwhile, filter and data format bookmark, three option is needed. So whenever I need that, just I select and apply that. This way we can get the filter. So many more option you got it here. Say this. So these were option we recently updated by the Microsoft, so that you can understand very easily. Filter and data Microsoft been changed recently. It's changing done. And how should I? If you don't want to use right now, meanwhile it's in the testing phase. So if you don't want to use it, go to the option setting, option, preview feature, and say this preview features. Uncheck dynamic formatting string measures. Just click on that. And on object interaction, you can close this one as well if you want. But I don't want to because it's a future is going to apply. So why should I not use this today itself? Okay, this is the first question that I have. Okay. Any doubt in this question? Let me know. I'll help it out.
No, sir.
Perfect. Thank you. Next, is this possible to log in without Gmail? Gmail account is not needed. Okay, you need professional email ID to register it. Else you go to the Microsoft website. It will automatically give you .online.microsoft.com website like this. Enter your name and all. They will provide all credential and you can log in it with the email ID. You don't need the Gmail account. The email account is not permitted to use that.
Okay, sir.
Okay. They are coming. I think I have marriage in my colony, so they are making noise. Sorry for this, Monica. It's uncontrollable things. What?
Okay.
Okay, I will mute immediately that time when they came nearby. They are coming soon. Okay. So next question. Understood? You don't need this Microsoft. Either you can use the organization email ID or use something else. Just I'm waiting for a while. Yeah. Now they went away.
Okay, no problem, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, perfect. Let me check. Is unmuted or not? Yeah, unmuted you. Next part is that. So the Gmail account, you don't need that. Okay, you must log in with the credential that you register with the you can say app.powerbi.com. That credential needed to log in it. So I think Gmail is not in picture. Next, how to get the image. So this question is valid for you. Since you asked me, let answer you. I know that. Insert image and navigate your image. Whatever image you have, open first dashboard, click on that and use it. Adjust and use it. Whenever you wanted to use it, adjust this one. Right side you can adjust that and use it. Okay, got it? Any other question that do you have in the previous session?
No, sir.
Perfect. So I'm moving next step. Data upload, edit query and transform. Basic I did it already, but I'll repeat once again. I know that you have many confusion parts in it, so I'm just let repeat so that you can understand. Okay. Data upload and data edit transformation. I'm going to cover basic today. Okay, so that you can I'm going slow. Please focus on it. Okay. Mean any questions? Let me stop immediately. Ask question. Modeling is very important part of the Power BI visualization. Any data that you have, okay, you must need it's in required to we can say model your data. So if you're not able to model it, you won't prepare the report as per their we can say requirement, and you cannot fold your data as per your need. So business needs, you can say that. So to this, we have some formatting option that I'm going to tell you that you can use it. So how do you use the correct files? Go to the format. First, I'm going to navigate the Excel so that I can show you. One by one, we'll learn it. Don't worry. So here I have your file, candidate, Monica, and financial sample. Simple. I'm using your link because if in case you are using it at home, so it will work. Even you can reconnect also. Now see, this is linked. Here, and I'm going to run the tool. Here, sometime we need to create the custom table that I already told you how to create the custom table. So hope you, when they watched day 2 video, you can get it. Maybe day 2, day 3, whatever it is, you can get it. Okay, but still let me repeat for you. So here I have a recent, then go to the edit, enter data, and then pass the column name, whatever you have is a static table, add column name, whatever column you want to add, and add the value. Even create table in the Excel and copy and paste as well. Like suppose here I have a table, I can paste as well if you want. I can paste it out. Save it. I can paste here too if you need. Even I can delete this one if I need it. I can modify it if I need add it, delete, insert, whatever you do, go ahead and do it. But since don't need that because already created, so I'm closing for now. Next part is that you have many data sources. Sometime we are getting the forbidden error. Forbidden error. So if you're getting any data link related forbidden error, so then clear permission, clear all permission, so that all permission is removed, and now we'll be able to use it. So let's clear it, all permission. Go to the global permission, clear all permission. Say this, all link has been disabled. If you wanted to refresh your PBX, it will ask for credential. Since I created the already links, it will work. But if you are using directly database, it will ask for the credential. So this way we can move it. Next part is that suppose we wanted to create our custom modulation. So how do we model that? So with different visual have a different we can say data format they needed. So as per their format, we need to model the report. So I'm going to we can say create the duplicate here. So I wanted to create the segment table. I'm going very slow so that you can understand about that. Meanwhile, any question you can let me know. Okay. So segment has, apart from segment, all other options I'm going to remove it. I want to remove duplicate here, and see this. This is the dynamic, and then I wanted to create the ID, because each table we need the ID. ID should be start from 100 and increase 1 every time. Press OK. Again, I'm going to repeat you segment ID. So segment and ID. So to this, you first go to the, let me show you once again here, remove other column. There is option, there's option remove other column. It will remove you the column that you selected. Apart from that, other column will be removed. Then I visit to the remove duplicate here, so that all duplicate can be removed. See this, remove duplicate has been happened. Then I wanted to add the index means ID, so I create the custom one. I uses 100 plus 100 here and 1 here, because every time I wanted to increase 1. So I created that, and then after rename the column, which is segment ID. Even you can drag it here too. So segment has been completed. Same way I'm going to do for the product table and product. Okay, so type product. You can do the same. Product table, apart from product, all column wanted to remove it. So remove other, remove duplicate, and thereafter we need to go to the add here, automatic from start from 1, then copy product ID, and thereafter left, and product table is completed. Now again copy it, duplicate it, and this time I want to see the country, then the country. Next, apart from country, remove other column, remove duplicate, and add column. I wanted to add, this time I wanted to add 2200 and wanted to increase 1. So you can give your as per your need, don't worry. I'm not pushing you to do that, but giving idea that how should I use the unique IDs. ID should not be repeated. Okay, so this one I did it. Country table. Now I wanted to summarize this product, then I wanted to summarize this. So let's copy it, duplicate it, summarize it. I wanted to summarize this. Summarize it. So summarization part. See, we have this kind of ID, and summarization prospect, we need the category to add that. Okay, so how do you summarize? The summarizing is a way that you can customize your data. So how should I customize? Product can be sell multiple country. So I wanted to summarize by product and use it as the many aspect that I wanted to summarize. So first I want 2 things can summarize. Sorry, 3 things: segment, country, and product. 3 category wanted to summarize all column. So I don't want to discount column. So if in case you by mistake, if you deleted the all column, you can restore from here. See this, click remove other. If you don't forget this, so you can come choose column, and choose column check and uncheck this one. Okay, and select all, press OK. 2 way you can do that. Okay, so I wanted to remove this one. I don't need that. So see this one I don't need that. Let's remove it. Next we have unit sold, manufacturing prices, sell prices. Sell prices we need to average it, and gross sell total it. Discount don't need that, and sales obviously we needed cognos, profit, and date. We don't need that date. Now month number, and this option is needed. Okay, let's remove this one. We'll add later on if I need it. So 3 column that we have, we need to go for summarize for 3 way. So for summarization we have a group by, and go to the advanced. What is the category looking for? Segment. Then we have the country. Then we have the product. Then we have the month name. Then we have the year, and the total which we are looking for is, first I'm looking for the total sales. Summary method, see this. Here I have a sum, average, mean, median, count rows, count string all rows. If in cases all rows, you can do that as well. So I'm going to use sum. So total units sold. How much? Sorry, total sales. Total sales. Then I'm looking for the total gross sales. Then we have the sum and gross sales. Next we have the options, which is let's see what happened. Not median, average. Average, I'm looking for sales price. Obviously many prices we have, so according to the we can say according to the requirement, we can do for the sales price. So here is sum, then there is sales price. So average sales price, you know the price always fluctuate. Okay, next we have the option which is manufacturing price. Also we need to average it. So here is the sum, unit prices, sales price and manufacturing price. So average it. Okay, billing, average manufacturing price. Right, average. Yeah, average manufacturing manufacturing price. Okay, next we have the gross sales, total sales. Yeah, just leave it. If suppose by mistake you added more, so you can clear it also. And if you wanted to move up and down, you can do that. If you suppose I wanted to see the last manufacturing price, wanted to see the top, so move up, move one step up, down, whatever you need, you can adjust left, right too, and then press OK. See this data is going to summarize that. See this, and still this data can be folded too. Like suppose I don't want to use country, I don't want to use product, I don't want to use month name. If I may wanted to summarize by the month and year, so still I can do that if you want. So all categories is going to help you, but since here we have year and this option, so stopping as per their data. So let's summarize more. I wanted to see only duplicate here, and I want summarize by 3 option. Summarize second. Let's see how. I wanted to summarize by segment and country, 2 option. So to this, go to the group by and segment, advanced segment and country, and so here again go the total sales, so total sales sum and total sales, you can pass it. Then we have to go to the total gross sales, sum, total gross sales, and other thing we'll do later on. Say this, what is the difference in the report? Means totally going to report customize your as per need, so you can try more. Okay, this option is going to more precise by doing this. So say this, duplicate. Again I'm going to modify this. I'm going to use here unpivot and pivot and unpivot. Do this. See this, how would I change my data? I want my all data can be displayed by the country name, maybe segment wise. I want to see total by segment, gross sales and sales can see in one column, somewhere gross, somewhere both column to see together. So let's see in one column. So see this, go to the transformation, unpivot, selected columns only. Now see this, if someone asks, you should prepare a report where I want to see the total and total sales and gross sales by specific country, so then you can do that. Let me show you how should I prepare this. Let's apply this and then we move forward further. Okay, I'm honestly saying, Monica, people are start working on the report. Many people I saw that they are working the report past 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, but they never understand about the you can say modeling. and that is the mistake they are doing, and they are not able to solve the report. That they are taking a time and time consuming time, but not they are not working on the thing that they needed, because they are not aware about that. Okay, so now see this. How easy is that? Someone asked, please prepare the data, total sales by respective category. How much easiest to see this? Very easy. If you wanted to prepare this report, you need to create measure and all, but you model it, it will get very easily. Total sales and gross sales. So this is the way that you can work and understand, and hope you will get a let. See, wanted to label it. If I wanted to create a legend here, so I wanted to use the legend. So we don't have the legend right now. Let's add that. So this legend has been added. If you wanted to change this visual, come here, select this one. No, don't select. Select this one, then you can change it. Sorry. Let's select it. Select it. I wanted to use this one, so you can use this one too. Means your same visual is going to change as per their need. Okay, so you can try it now. Definitely it's going to help you out. Let's move to the next step of the modeling. So I am covering the topic from the edit transformation, and basic is covering. We'll again cover here too. Here I'm going to cover the advanced. Okay, so to this, please make sure focus on this prospect. Today I'm going to cover everything, and so that whenever you come next class, we have a more question on that. In case, okay, someone want that this category should be divided in multiple parts. So let's add this segment here too. So see this. I want you to add in other options. So see this. This is called small end. Okay. So in each categories we have a different data size. Small, government, mid market, enterprise. One visual can divide multiple small end, and that is going to help you while creating the report. So remember that whenever you need, you can change your specific visual and category. You can customize as per their need. Okay. Now I want you to format this. So how to format this? To go here and see this. If you don't see this option, go to the view, click on the format, and then after this option is appear here, and you can start changing it. Whatever you have. Okay. Now check this option here. Option is available. So they recently make changes in style and everything. So go one by one. So let's build this one 600. Change the size this one. Then we have changed the horizontal, vertical, inner padding. Inner padding is adjust the location, means left right can adjust that. Background color, I wanted to give light background color here so that it looks good. Transparency should be increased up to 51% so that more transparent. Visual border should be red color, and around it should be let's 50%. Totally no round required. And then shadow, and shadow not outside, inside, so that it will look like a 3D. Say that your visual is going to change by look properly. So you should try explore each options. Now this one I do just see this how easy is that. Okay. Next summarization is part. I want the we can say all column, means segment, country, attribute, each level I want should become in one column. These three things come one together, so that I can use whenever I total I needed to use that. So let's copy that, duplicate it, and I want all options to become together. Okay. So to this segment, country, attribute. Okay. Each one I am going to one pivot it. So see this one attribute, segment and country. Then we have the value, and enterprise, sales, everything is available here. Total sales and gross sales. I don't want to use this one, not today. Okay. All option is available here in single one. The report which has a multiple multiple, you can say, amount, multiple column, and here the category. The report which we have multiple column, now here have the come in all column. This is called modeling, and I would say that please follow this one, because if you don't understand this one, it will get a problem. So now see this, what is the benefit for it? I am going to add here more tabs here. I want you to add table here, okay? Said that please provide the table where I want to see the category and amount by each category. And see this category is here, and also we have this one line is also. So how, see this in this option, very easy. See this, very small total can become here. May you also categorize that if you want. So you can, if you wanted to sequence this one, I have idea for it. Okay. So let me copy this one. Copy the value. Copy. Let me copy in Excel. Okay. Export in Excel. Export data in Excel. Yeah, all visual allowed to export that. Okay. Let me save in your folder. Power BI export. Remember, each visual allowed to export Excel in CSV format. Okay. And now here see the picture. What I'm going to trying to do that. Power BI export. See this, here we don't have duplicate. Okay. And I will going to add a sequence in Power BI. Sequence number. I want total will be displayed at last. Okay, so I just pick this one at last, and here I can switch every option. I don't care, only gross sale and total sale can be displayed below. Everything is would be same. I don't have any problem. So one, and then and change this one to file series. Okay, copy and paste. Copy it. I need ID to become first and then paste. So copy and come here, transform data, and see this how static table is going to use that here. So click OK and paste here. As a sequence, see this category sequence. Naming is very important. If you doing naming, so please remember that. Okay, so that naming should not be changed. And my each training has a different idea approach. I never follow the straight line. So please join, and definitely if you're watching my channel, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, please. Close and apply. Perfect. Let's save it. See this, I don't have sequence here, but I wanted to we can say provide a sequence. So let's click that, connect that, and unpivot and pivot 2. Okay, where is the pivot and pivot 2 option available? Oh, perfect. So let's change the, if you need both direction, go ahead and do it. I'll explain everything. It is coming in next session. Now, instead of using this category, okay, I'm going to use something else. I'm going to use the category sequence. So say this, and category sequence come here, and this one going to remove, this one going to add. Sorry, let me delete everything. Let's pass it once again. Amount, sorry, category and amount. Okay, so if you wanted to change any level, click and total amount. Okay, if you still can do that, don't worry. You can change the label if you want. So category, and see this total is coming here, but I want to see it last. How should I do that? So come to the table here and select category, sorting order, sequence number, and say this total is coming last. Hope you understand.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any question till here? Because I formatting completed that, so I'm going to move in visualization. If you thought that is more enough for you, so I'll stop it immediately. You can do practice and let me know. Then move forward. Should I stop or should I continue?
Should I stop, sir? I want to practice, sir.
Okay. So you should practice it. I'm closing for now. Okay. And one request, Monica, don't worry. You can jot down your questions. Okay. And I'll try to answer your question when you join the batch. If you have joined every day, I'm quite happy to join that. Don't worry. I will join. I'll answer your questions whenever ability I have. Since you're working with me, so I'll help you out. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Perfect. And but make sure you jot down your question. I have this video, so please watch carefully and see you in next session. Okay. Thank you so much for your time. Bye.
Okay, sir. Today class was very interesting, sir.
Every day interesting. Just you learn it. That's nothing else. You learn and focus on it. Since you today